Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So tonight we're going to have a look at this awesome portable dual gas burner stove from Camplux. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome portable gas stove and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this item. And before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Camplux for sending me the stove to review. Let's get started. Alright guys, just a couple of safety things before getting started with the video. If you haven't used a gas stove before, please get with someone that does so they can show you how to use one of these. Second, if you are going to be using these indoors, make sure there's a lot of ventilation. And always, most importantly, have a fire extinguisher nearby just in case something catches on fire. Let's get on to the video. Now, Camplux is selling this as an outdoor stove, but if you had to, you could use it in indoor situations like in RVs or in small spaces like apartments or studios. Let's say, for example, you're a student and you don't have a lot of money and the place that you moved into, something happens to the stove and you don't want to use one of these janky portable stoves. I mean, this is a lot nicer. It's got this really nice, slick black tempered glass, this beautiful brushed stainless steel finish. This is going to look a lot nicer. Now, what's nice about this specific Camplux stove model is it's large enough and nice enough so that when you're cooking on it, it doesn't look like you're cooking on a kid's stove, but yet it's portable and small enough to store underneath your sink. Measurement-wise, the overall length is coming in at 28.5 inches, and that's just about 2.5 regular sheets of paper. Depth-wise, going backwards, just about 15 inches, and that's just about 1 1/3 sheets of paper. And then as far as the thickness goes, if you just make a fist like this, it's just about the same height as a fist, just about 3¼ inches high. Alright, let me take you guys for a quick tour around the stove, show you how to put it together, and let's do some cooking. Now, as far as assembly, there's really not much to put together. The stove comes pre-assembled. You just have to install a few things like this burner cap, right? That just fits right on here. You have your burner crown, which looks like this, and that just sits right on here like this. And you have your burner grate. There's 2 posts here. There's one on each side, and they fit into the 2 holes on each side here, and you can only install it one way. Just like that. Once that's done, all you got to do is install the included hose. Alright, we're looking at the back half of the stove here. This is the inlet where the hose is going to connect. The included hose is about 5 feet long, and this is the side that connects into the gas tank. It's the side with the regulator on it right here. And here is the other end that connects into this inlet. And you want to make sure that it gets in there real tight, so it just screws on like this. And you want to probably use a wrench to give it a little tightening, just to torque it down to make sure that there's no gas escaping. Once you have everything connected and you have gas flowing into the stove, the way you're going to get the flame to ignite here is you're going to turn this knob. The gas is going to start to come out of the cap here, and there's an igniter. Here, listen to this click. Right, that creates a little bit of a spark to help ignite the gas that's coming out of the stove. Let me show you what that looks like. Alright, to get the gas going, all you got to do is push this knob in all the way. Give it a twist to the left. You're going to hear the gas starting to come out. And click it to the left for the igniter to turn on. Alright guys, we've moved outside into the park for pancakes in the park. We're going to do pancakes, bacon and sausage, and eggs. Ooh, alright guys, breakfast is served. Thank you, Camplux. Well, there you go, guys. Just a simple meal that you can prepare on a really great dual gas burner from Camplux. If you're looking for a great way to cook either indoor or outdoors, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome portable gas stove, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. you.